Get strong.
Hi, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Welcome to the Boomers Tech Show, where we show boomers how to use tech to make their lives easier. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your iPad like a teenager. This will be the first part of a series of videos covering the iPad. Starting with the hardware and the button function. At the very top of your iPad, you have your front-facing camera. Then you have your multi-touch screen, and at the very bottom, you have your most important button, the home button. On the back, you have the rear-facing camera. Just above the rear-facing camera, you have the sleep-wake button. On the left side, you have your volumes up and down button. On the top and to the right, you have your headphone jack. To turn on your iPad, press and hold the sleep wake button until the Apple logo appears. To turn off your iPad, press and hold the sleep wake button until the slide to power off slider appears. Then slide your finger across the slider. To lock your iPad, press the sleep wake button once. To unlock your iPad, press the sleep wake button or the home button, then slide your finger to unlock. This has been a quick tutorial of the iPad basic button functions. Please subscribe and ring the bell for part 2. And thanks for watching the Boomers Tech Show.
Strong.